Okay, we have a Supermax vertical machining center, 4-axis. It's a model YCM V105A, serial number 706021, new in 1998. It has a Fanuc OM control, a Kitagawa 4th axis. It's 12.5 inch with a 4-inch hole, model TR320, 20 station ATC, and we're gonna run her for you. 2,000 RPM, it's an 8,000 RPM maximum. The machine spindle taper is a 40 taper. 3,000 RPM, going up. 4,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. Okay. That's our air compressor. Tool change. Second tool change. All right, there go the axes. Again, you have Fanuc AC servo motors and drives. The ball screws sound nice. There's your X. You just heard your Z. Yeah, you have to go over to see the rotary table. So you've seen the X, Y, and Z, and now you're seeing the W. Or A. And again, that's a Kitagawa. Thank you, I guess, for watching the video.